Do you want to create the photo frames for Mother's Day or any occasion? Let me show you how. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to the link in my bio, click on that link, and then you're going to press open. When you press open, it's going to open up my link tree. So then you're going to press Designs Made by Me. That's going to reroute you to my Etsy store, CWA Academy. You're going to scroll down to where it says Mother's Day frames. Now, again, it says Mother's Day frames, but you can use it for whatever holiday or just because however you want to use it, that's what you can use it for. You don't have to limit it to Mother's Day. So once you click on it, you're going to press Add to Cart, and then you're going to press Proceed to Checkout. This pop-up is going to come up. You can sign in or you can check out as a guest. So once you pay, you're going to receive a download link. That download link is going to open up in Canva. You will need Canva to be able to use this template. I'm sorry. But here I am showing you these are the options that you will receive. And as you can see, the does, if you don't want the does up there, you can remove the does. If you want to change the colors, you can change the colors. So here, what I'm doing is I'm going to show you how you can upload, you can put your pictures into the frames. So you're going to press upload photo at the top. Once you upload it, all you do is just drag and drop it in place. As you can see, that's my beautiful mama. Rest in peace. And then after that, you just go back to uploads again. Upload your other photo. You really could upload all your photos at once, or you could just do them one at a time, whatever you prefer. Once you get everything uploaded, then you just drag and drop your photos into the different frames. So right now I'm doing the Y. Now, as you can see, when I put it in the Y, my face is kind of cut off. So what you're going to do is you're going to double tap on, I'm sorry, you probably have to ungroup them. Yeah, I had to ungroup the mommy. So then you just double tap on the picture and you use those little white dots when you touch the picture to reposition it how you want. So as you can see, I reposition my face in that Y. Now I'm going back and I'm getting a photo of my son, and I'm going to upload it and put it in the M. So when I upload it and put it in the M with his picture, the way he's standing, he's kind of sideways. So what you can do is if you see that little toggle, you can turn the picture. So it's ways to be able to adjust the picture to fit properly where it looks nice inside of the letters. And as you can see, you just drag and drop. And I didn't like that, so I double tapped on it and I'm clicking on it to use those little white dots to, what's the word? What's the word I'm trying to say? To reposition the picture inside of the M. And you'll do that for each letter. And if you mess up, you see I'm pressing that back arrow right there. You just go up there and press that back arrow and it'll take you back to whatever you previously did. So if you mess up, you don't have to worry about it. You can just press the back arrow. So then you're going to double tap where it says name, and you can delete where it says name and type out the name that you want. If you want one name, you can delete the others. If you want to add 5 names, however many names you want to add, you can do that. And you can change the colors. It's up to you. Like I said, everything in this template is editable. So this is how mine looked when I got done. After you put your pictures in, if you want to go into effects and put in a border, you can put in a border and change the color. So at the top, I'm pressing the download button, but you're gonna press download here, but you're not gonna download all of them at once because we only did the mommy frame. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna press where it says Our Pages, and you're going to uncheck all of those boxes. So the one at the top where it has pages 1 through 5, you're going to uncheck it. And then you're going to click on which page it is. For me, it's page 5. So I'm clicking on page 5. I'm going to press done and press download. After I press download, that's where you will print it from your printer, which I have a HP inkjet printer. I'm using a photo paper from ASUP. It's double-sided photo paper, which is awesome. So I am using this photo paper to print my picture off. And once you put it inside of the printer, you just print it and put it inside of your picture frame. If you have any questions, feel free to ask your questions in the comment section. Yeah, I needed to change my ink. That's why mine look like that. Follow for more.